Power down the system and disconnect the AC adapter. Then power on the system and continually tap F1 to enter the BIOS. If you receive a General Help window, press Enter to continue. Use the right arrow key to select the configuration menu. Use the down arrow key to highlight the power menu and then press Enter. In the submenu, use the down arrow key to highlight the Disable Built-in Battery option. Press Enter and then verify that Yes is highlighted. Press Enter again to accept. The system will automatically power off. Allow 3 to 5 minutes to cool before servicing the system.
Place the keyboard upside down on the system and connect the track point and keyboard cables to the system board. Flip the keyboard over, slide the top edge under the keyboard bezel, and press downward to lock the front edge into place. Tighten the 6 captive screws. Press the keyboard frame down to hide the screws. Align the bottom cover with the system and press down to snap the clips together. Tighten the 9 captive screws. Replace the 3 rubber screw covers. Place the battery into position on the chassis using the screw holes for alignment. Install 4 retaining screws. Connect the battery to the system board. Insert the memory module into the slot using the notch for alignment. Press down to lock it into place. Repeat for additional modules. Insert the solid-state drive into the slot using the notch for alignment. Install a single retaining screw. Place the battery into position on the system board, securing it with the adhesive backing. Connect the battery to the system board. Place the wireless LAN card into the slot using the notch for alignment. Install the single retaining screw. Connect the black antenna to the main terminal. Connect the white antenna cable to the auxiliary terminal. Place the heatsink into position in the system using the screw holes for alignment. Using a cross pattern, tighten the 4 captive screws. Tighten the captive screw on the fan assembly. Connect the fan cable to the system board. Place the speaker into position using the post for alignment. Install the cable into the cable guides. Place the last speaker into position. Install 2 retaining screws, 1 in each speaker. Connect the speaker cable to the system board. Place the card reader into position using the screw hole for alignment. Secure the cable to the chassis using the adhesive backing and connect the cable to the system board. Install a single retaining screw. Place the logo LED into position on the chassis. Install the cable into the cable guides. Connect the cable to the system board. Place the system board into position using the screw holes for alignment. Place the USB bracket into position and install the screw. Place the I/O bracket into position and install the 2 screws. Connect the LogoLED cable, the CardReader cable, the TrackPad cable, the LCD cable, and the DCInCable to the system board. Lift the base of the system, pull the cable through the hole in the chassis, and use the screw holes to align the trackpad. Install 4 retaining screws. Secure the cable to the chassis using the adhesive backing and connect it to the system board. Lower the DCInCable into position on the chassis. Connect the cable to the system board. Lower the hinge and install 3 screws. With the hinges open, position the base of the system onto them and lower it, closing the hinges at the same time. Install 3 screws into each hinge. Connect the antenna cables to the wireless LAN card. Connect the LCD cable to the system board. Connect the DCInCable to the system board. Align the LCD bezel with the LCD assembly. Press down around the edges, on the sides, the top, and the bottom to snap the clips together. Place the camera into position on the top cover and secure it with the adhesive backing. Align the LCD panel with the LCD assembly face down and connect the LCD cable to the panel. Flip the panel over and set it into position using the screw holes for alignment. Install 4 retaining screws. Secure the logo LED to the top cover and begin installing the cable into the cable guides. Connect the cable to the camera and continue installing the cable into the cable guides. Place the hinge on the top cover using the screw holes for alignment. Install 3 retaining screws. Repeat for the other hinge. Secure the antenna into position on the top cover using the metal tape and adhesive backing. Install the cable into the cable guide. Repeat for the other antenna.